Hey guys, you're Akahilz. Welcome back. Currently have latest activities on Binance here. Binance is going to do their referral for 2022. So you want to jump on this so you can get a chance to win as much as possible. So it says here, Binance Referral Offer New Year's celebration. So you refer friends to get mystery boxes worth up to $500 each from a pool of $300,000. $300,000 tokens. So it will kickstart the year 2022. Binance Referral is launching exclusive New Year's activity. Refer your friends to join us through this referral offer mode, and every completed task will net you and your friend mystery boxes worth up to $500 in tokens each. So the total prize pool is $300,000. So you want to divide that so you know how many people this prize pool will be eligible for. But it currently looks like 60,000 participants will be eligible for this offer. I think 6,000 Binance users, should be 6,000 or so. So promotion is going to be ending by the 18th of January. So it just started today. So it's going to run for a week. So it said invite friends, activity A, they invite friends and unlock mystery boxes together. So you're going to, all you need to do is to share a referral link. So when they sign up and complete the eligible task, they say to be eligible for the reward, your referrals must make a deposit through P2P. You can buy with your credit card or debit card, and cryptocurrency deposit of more than $50. So you can buy as much as $100 or more. So both referral and referee will be getting the mystery box. And also, you can also make a trade of more than $200 on any spot or convert and trading pairs. Both referral and referee will receive another mystery box of $200. So each mystery box contains up to $500 in one of the following tokens: BTC, ETH, BUSD, BNB, XRP, Matic, ADA token, SHIB, Doge, Gala token, and more. So for the activity B, there's a $10,000 price sharing pool where if you share to social media, you might be able to win up to 1 BNB. So all users who click the share button on the referral page will share the referral offer on social media will be eligible to split a prize pool of $10,000. So I think that's a big one too. The prize pool still contains tokens such as BTC, ETH, XRP, Matic, and lots more. Various terms and conditions here, so you want to take note of these terms and conditions. First of all, so referral can only claim one reward on each referral. If your friend signs up using your referral link, you will not be eligible for commission-based rewards and vice versa. Any deposit via third-party payment method or from other Binance accounts will not be counted towards the deposit volume. Eligible users must unlock their mystery boxes within 7 days after the referral offer promotion ends. So both referrer and referee will complete personal verification for any party to unlock the corresponding mystery boxes. All rewards are distributed via token vouchers. So eligible users will receive their rewards in the reward center within 48 hours of unlocking the mystery boxes. So participants must complete physical verification within 7 days, and also each account can receive a maximum of 20 mystery boxes. So 10 from deposit task and 10 from trading task. The sub account cannot be used. Then Binance will use real-time fiat currency to USD change rates to calculating the USD value of deposit via fiat channels and price of USDT trading pair at trading time to calculate the cryptocurrency deposit and more. So the rewards are on the first come first serve basis. So you want to jump on this as soon as possible. Rewards for activity B will be unlocked 48 hours after the promotion ends. So it's going to be different. While Binance reserves the right to disqualify and revoke rewards for participants who engage in dishonest or abusive method. So guys, for disclaimer, risk warning, cryptocurrency trading is subject to high risk and market risk. So please make your trades cautiously. Your advisor Binance is not responsible for your trading losses. So guys, that's all. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be bringing you more updates, guys. Ajibaki. Stay safe and love you guys. Happy New Year and cheers, guys.